After 5 years of research, development, and field testing, Infaco's innovative contactless method is revolutionizing the electric pruning shear industry. They have developed a genuinely novel idea. Two parts make up the system: a transmitter that fits into a glove and a receiver that inserts into shears such as the Info F320. The way it works is that the shears open up immediately when they approach your gloved hand too closely, and they won't close until your hand is securely out of the way. Infaco claims that this system is revolutionary for professional vineyard work and that it can even be installed on earlier models. You have a big property that needs a lot of work. It can be tiresome to go back and forth for tools like that. Why not get into the 3-wheel 10 horsepower KR Chariot? It's set to go, but where is the steering wheel, you ask? You steer with your feet, this hands-free because there isn't one. The design enables you to pick up litter, trim hedges, and mow the grass at 11 kilometers per hour. In addition to being more enjoyable than walking everywhere, businesses using the KR Chariot have reported a 30% increase in efficiency. The official website has not yet disclosed the cost. Have you ever seen how easily ants can move big objects? You can accomplish the same thing with the ant top. Simply load it, harness it, and use it to move stones, leaves, snow, or soil in experiments. The strap strength was 500 kilograms and the carabiners could support up to 306 kilograms. A human was able to pull 181 kilograms with it. The outs price starts at $60, which is a terrific deal, and one of its biggest features is that you don't have to step backward and risk hitting something, falling, or damaging your leg. These garden blocks are made by Bura. Because they are composed of polyester or low-density polyethylene with recycled material, they are incredibly light. The 1.2 meters standard block is simple to install with just a hammer and can be lifted with one hand. The outcome resembles natural stone with a little work. It's also versatile. If you want to add the final touches, you may use multiple parts to form a 3D circle. There are extender bricks available individually. Because each block is composed of 25 to 30% recycled materials, you will be helping the environment during installation. Budgeting is easy. The price of a typical 1.2 meter block is $25. Check out Flame King, a range of propane burners designed to take on wheels. Their standout feature is their impressive heat output. Take the Flame King 1 for instance, pumps out a million BTUs, which is over a billion joules of heat. Plus it connects easily to your standard propane cylinders. The burner comes fully assembled and includes a 5 meters hose, so if you have got a full cylinder, you can use it as soon as you get it out of the box once you are done blasting weeds. This versatile tool can help with a bunch of other tasks like needing to strip paint or markings, melt snow and ice, and repair roofing. Flame King has got you covered. This useful tool can be yours for $70. The Aero Broom is a convenient device that combines a blower and a broom. This ingenious combination speeds up and improves the pleasure of cleaning. Moving bikes, automobiles, or outdoor furniture out of the way is no longer an issue. Because the Aero Broom is small and lightweight, weighing only 900 grams, it is ideal for cleaning indoors and can quickly reach hard-to-reach locations. A single charge lasts up to 30 minutes. Are you prepared to spend $60 on an Aero Broom, as the manufacturers have ensured that the bristles are soft on tile and laminate surfaces and that the blower has two speeds, with the lower setting enabling you to clean without kicking up dust? Gardena's cordless aqua brush cleaner is being promoted. This multi-purpose tool may be used for everything from patio furniture and fences to stone and WPC surfaces. With a 5.6 kilograms weight and a 56-minute run time for each charge, you can thoroughly clean your outdoor area. In addition to being modular, which allows you to install certain extensions and brushes for both horizontal and vertical surfaces, the innovative two-handle design makes it comfortable to use even if it may seem hefty. Since the battery powers the entire system, it is compatible with more than 100 different brands of garden and home tools. For such a hand and compatible instrument, the $233 price tag seems reasonable. Introducing Super Handy's Mulcher Superhero. This beast can cut through branches up to 76mm thick, has a 7 horsepower gasoline engine and shreds at a 15:1 ratio. It costs $500, weighs 38 kilograms and is small despite its power. It includes a sidekick, a miniature version ideal for leaves and twigs up to 13mm thick, just like any other decent superhero. This assistant, which costs $280, spins 3 knives at 4100 RPM. Meet the ideal porch glider, the Adirondack. It is fashionable, low maintenance, and long-lasting because it is composed of a combination of steel and wood-textured resin. For enhanced comfort, all-weather UV-resistant furniture may even withstand life by the water. It has a foldable console with 2 cup holders and a smartphone holder, and its smooth glide motor eliminates the need for sudden kicks to move it. Bring your pals along, but make sure you have $560 extra to spare because the Adirondack can take up to 227 kilograms. We learned how to sell a hose reel cart for $200 from Giraffe Tools. For that price, what do you get? It weighs 16 kilograms, is steady and is lightweight. It has alloy wheels, a stainless steel frame, and storage for up to 61 meters of 12.7mm hose. Even an accessory basket is available. If you require extra space, a 4-wheel model that can handle up to 91 meters of 16mm hose is available for roughly the same price. Meet Pop-Up Garden, a fresh approach to gardening that's perfect for balconies or terraces. These modular beds thrive in sunny spots that can get at least 6 hours of light daily. They are designed to be a cozy home for flowers, vegetables, and anything else you want to grow. The basic version of a pop-up garden essential is like a handy stand that accommodates both large planters and small seedling trays made of plastic. It's lightweight at about 2 kilograms and resists fungus or pests. But here's the really fun part. You can grow plants upside down in these vertical beds. This method can actually increase your yields by up to 245 compared to regular pots of the same size. Pretty impressive, right? All this for $100, and you even have the option to add extras like a drip track. Do you have a little garden? The Ryobi P2160VNM is worth trying. This multi-purpose tool can be used as an edger, a string trimmer, and more. In addition to using 1.7 or 2mm trimmer line as a mower, it disassembles into multiple sections for convenient storage. To switch to either mode, it features 4 height options ranging from 38 to 90mm. Simply push a button after removing the wheel pad. Fans of the Japanese brand will love this device, which is part of the RYI18V1 Plus family with over 300 tools and includes a charger and a 4 amp battery. The price of this multi-purpose garden assistant is $29. Both professional and amateur breeders were considered in the design of the Nextera cope. Because it is made of recycled plastic, it is more predator resistant and requires only 10 minutes to clean compared to wood. Up to 5 hens can fit in the basic model, while up to 15 can fit in the top model for extra space. You can choose amenities like a solar panel, an automated door opener, or even a Wi-Fi camera, so you can keep an eye on your hens from your smartphone for convenience. Additionally, the cope can be upgraded over time. Nextera, which starts at $379, guarantees your birds utmost comfort and comes with a 25-year warranty. Although Zally appears to be a luxurious guest house, it is actually an expensive greenhouse that costs $3,000 for 8 square meters. What do you receive for that amount of money? First of all, commercial grade polycarbonates, which are 30% better at containing heat than ordinary materials, are used in its construction. Second, when correctly secured, it can endure loads of up to 2.18 kilograms and wind speeds of up to 45 meters per second. It also has forced ventilation that reacts to temperature fluctuations. A multi-purpose cordless spreader, the Ryobi OnePlus OSS 1800 can handle chemicals, seeds, fertilizer, and feed. It is simple to keep an eye on and replenish the open 4-liter hopper. At only $69, the spreading speed may be adjusted and has a maximum range of 3.5 meters. Although the battery is sold separately, it's still a great deal. For up to 3 hours of battery life, look for an 18V 1L battery with a minimum capacity of 2.5 amp hours. The spreader is easy to use with one hand because it only weighs 1.9 kilograms. When it comes to water-saving devices such as irrigation systems, H2O Savvy is at the forefront. One of their inventions is the water well, which may appear to be little more than a recycled plastic ring at first glance, but its designers think it may be used both domestically and commercially. With a diameter of 64 centimeters, the top variant of the water well has an hourly capacity of 57 liters. With all of these capabilities, it may even be converted into a drip system if necessary, and a percentage of the sales is donated to reforestation initiatives. Purchasing a water well for $229 looks like a wise decision. Lavix hand washing stations are ideal for usage on your porch or at events like music festivals. 61 liter of pure water and 62 liter of dirty water can be stored in the basic model. It has a space of 400 paper towels and a 964 grams soap dispenser. It weighs 23 kilograms and has a foot-operated pump, making it both hygienic and convenient. Its wheels make it easy to move around, but the price may put you off. That isn't even the most costly model. It cost $420. Presenting pet-safe outdoor bark control, an ingenious gadget that resembles a birdhouse but conceals a potent secret. It uses a single 9-volt battery that lasts up to 2 months. It's weather resistant, can withstand both rain and cold, and emits an ultrasonic sound that is innocuous to humans but unpleasant to dogs when it detects barking. Once the barking stops, the device goes back to standby mode and has an effective range of 15 meters. This device costs $75, but there are also more sophisticated models with built-in timers and less expensive models with a limited range around 7.5 meters. Has this type of chainsaw ever been seen? Presenting the bow chainsaw, which is made to cut through logs on the ground or odd angles that you can't. Although the Lift, the Pool and 3700 models were manufactured between 1980 and 1983, several of them are still in operation today. The single-cylinder engine of these chainsaws has a displacement of 61 cc and a bar length of 76 centimeters. A second-hand Pioneer 3700 will cost about $225. Given the sweltering cost of today, it's time to cool off with some misting systems. For a quick and simple fix, you have alternatives that range from straightforward and reasonably priced to intricate and expensive. Take the Orbit 2066, which is available for as little as $20. It simply takes 10 minutes to put up and is ideal for lounging by the pool beneath an umbrella. However, if you want a serious cooling system starting at $2,140, Mist Cooling provides a high-end system with up to 60 spray nozzles, a 104 meter coverage area, and a commercial grade filter that captures particles as fine as 5 microns.